All right, sorry about the yellow. I don't know if it's showing up yellow on yours, but it sure is on mine. But we're going to go ahead and go forward with this anyhow. We are looking at expanding binomials. So for this guy here, you can do Pascal's triangle. So this would be the coefficients that you're going to be multiplying. So this is if it was just to the first power, to the second power, to the third power, and we're doing third power. So for mine, I'm just going to write down, I have 1, 3, 3, 1. And then each of these guys here, starting with the most, it would be 2x. Now watch this. I put a parenthesis around it, because if I don't put a parenthesis around it, I'll probably forget that it's also 2 cubed. And then 2x squared, and then 2x to the first power, and then the next one is gone because it's 2x to the 0. And remember, anything to the 0 is equal to 1. So then we're going to go backwards from this side here. We have negative 3 cubed and negative 3 squared. Now notice that I'm keeping the negative in there, and I'm watching very carefully to make sure I don't lose that negative, because now what I need to do when I multiply this out is to make sure that the negative is dealt with. So here I have 2 cubed, which is equal to 8, and I have x cubed, and then 1 is just nothing. Here I have 2 squared, which is 4, times 3 times 3, which is 9, but it's a negative 9, right? So this is negative 36x squared. So again, that was 4, because that was 2 cubed times 3 times negative 3. Here we have 3 times 2 times negative 3 squared is positive 9. So 9 times 6 is equal to 54. And it is a positive on that one. And this one is just 1x that I have. And then here is just a negative 27. Now, always check. It should be going back and forth between positives and negatives, so you can just check to make sure that it did that when you were done. Let's look at 5 as well. So I'm going to continue my Pascal's triangle, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And then x, y, both of them are to the 4th power, and then cubed, and then squared, and then just to the 1, and then none. And then back over here we have z to the 4th, and then cubed, and then squared, and then to the 1st power. So this is just x to the 4th, y to the 4th. Here we have 4 times x cubed, y cubed, z. Here is 6. They're not all this multiplication that you have to do. It's just the 6. And then x squared, y squared, z squared. And then 4, and these are all positives because it was positive in front here, in the middle here. And then x, y, z cubed, and then our last one is z to the 4th.